Hello, people. We're back again, and I want to show you some more cool features about the website here. I want to show you some cool things. So on the bottom right corner, we have this amazing thing. How may we help you? Chat messenger. A lot of folks love this because it's easier just to get straight to a human, but you still got to follow this stuff over here because this is important information that we need to get your stuff going. I know people would like they want to get a human on the phone, but sometimes in business, you might not get a representative, but this is our secondary way of getting a hold of us. And this is really the true way of getting a hold of us, secondary. So let's say this right here. You want to click on the message icon. And this is very easy, y'all. So you can once you leave a message, say that you, hey, need a ride. Okay. Give us a second. You know what I mean? We're gonna get to you. We're coming. Just give us a second. We're gonna get to your situation and want to know how we can help you. This is just the beginning of the process of things you may need. Boom, you get notified. And this is basically how to book the services. You need to go to this, which is going to take you to this screen. This will take you right back to here. If you got questions on how to book, you can click on the link down here, and it says directions on how to use our booking system. And this is a whole video on how to use our booking system once you get past this screen. And it's really self-explanatory. So let's say that we clicked on here, and it's going to take you right to the video of what's going on right there. Boom. It's going to explain to you everything about what's going on. Hello, thank you for joining United Tax today. That's simple. Very easy. This right here is going to take you right to the website, back to the original site, to where you will fill in the information, your first and last name, your pickup address, your drop-off address, and things of nature. And once all this is filled out, you're going to hit submit, and you're going to actually arrive to the appointment setter notes and everything you need to put in to book your services. Now, we only do debit cards. We don't do cash. So we only do debit cards and appointments. And you can book your ride anytime during the day. It's just that we don't do cash anymore. So this is the way that you would need to do the services. This video is pretty much aimed towards this. So if you have any more questions or concerns, feel free. And you can also, we'll answer questions to this sometimes. We'll come to this eventually. It's easier to get your information already going. And you're already going through the flow. So once you're already going through the flow, it's done. You know what I mean? And that's my phone going off because I'm playing with the website. So it's very easy to get a hold of us, y'all. Very, very easy, very simple to get your information going. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit our live chat box up bottom right corner. Special instructions, if you have any kind of specific way or something you want us to do on the way to you, or beat the horn, or any kind of special instructions we may need to know upon our arrival, you put in special instructions. If any other trips are going to be taking place, you need to put that in here so we'll bill you correctly, and things of nature. First name, last name, phone number, email address, pickup address, drop-off address, and how many passengers, up to 5. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's pretty much it. This is a detailed video on how to use the Live Messenger app when it comes to booking your services. Looking forward to seeing you on the road. If you got any questions, if you're on my YouTube channel, feel free to leave a comment up under the video, leave a comment up under Facebook, or just in general, message me in general on Facebook. We're open to questions. Looking forward to speaking with you and seeing you. God bless. Happy holidays.